Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to record government grants onto QuickBooks. If your business has received grant funding from a government body, it's important to properly categorize this income to keep your financial records accurate and ensure everything is correctly reflected in your reports. To start, click on the Settings gear icon at the top right of your QuickBooks dashboard, then select Chart of Accounts from the drop-down menu. This is where you'll manage all the categories that track your business's financial activity. Once you're in the Chart of Accounts, click the New button to create a fresh account specifically for your grant income. Now you'll see a form asking you to define what type of account this is. For the Account Type field, select Other Income. This categorizes the grant as income that's separate from your regular business sales or services. Next, for the detail type, choose Other Miscellaneous Income. This ensures QuickBooks treats it correctly for tax and reporting purposes without mixing it up with your operating revenue. In the name field, type something clear like Government Grants Income so you can easily identify it later when reviewing reports or running tax summaries. Once that's done, click Save and Close to finalize the new account. You've now set up the proper category for recording your grant. Next, click the plus New button at the top left of your screen, then select Bank Deposit from the options. This is where you'll officially record the money you received. In the deposit form, choose the bank account where the grant funds were deposited. This links the transaction to the correct account in your books. In the Received From field, enter the name of the grant provider, whether that's a federal agency, state department, or local government office. This keeps a clear record of where the money came from, which is helpful during audits or when tracking funding sources. Now move to the Account column and select the Government Grants Income account you just created. This ties the deposit directly to that income category. Then in the Amount field, enter the total grant amount you received. Double-check that the figure matches your bank statement to avoid discrepancies. Once everything looks accurate, click Save and Close. Your government grant is now properly recorded in QuickBooks, categorized as Other Income and linked to the correct bank account. This ensures your financial statements reflect the grant appropriately without inflating your revenue from operations. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.